Now I'm importing the footage from that grocery haul that I told you guys about that needs to be recorded. So I'm about to do that right now. I mean, needs to be edited. My computer kept closing down last night, so I had to get up early to get the video out for the 9th, which would have been yesterday for you guys, but today you guys are seeing this on the actual 10th. So I'm doing some editing and cleaning up some of my stuff off my computer. Hubby is still knocked out. I'm gonna let that load and head downstairs. So I'm watering this plant, that plant, and this one. The girls are in here. Look at Rizzy trying to hide her silly twist. I don't know what Naya doing. She doing her homework. I'm so silly. It is 12 in the afternoon. I'm going to make some coffee. I haven't eaten, so I'm just gonna make coffee. I'm not hungry right now. My snack cabinet. Oh, but I forgot these was even here, y'all. I gotta edit that video, that food haul video. Oh, and today I'm going to be making some lemon cupcakes from scratch. So I'll probably just be sharing another recipe video, so y'all see them, but I'll share the actual video in a whole separate video for people looking to make cupcakes from scratch, so that way they don't have to look through this long old vlog. Well, not, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. I already explained this several times. All right, y'all. Kind of dim. I got my lights dim, but currently cleaning out. I got disinfectant wipes and stuff there. I don't know, something in here spilled. I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna clean this out this is all my little makeup stuff. So I'm gonna wipe everything down and then put it back. 'Cause it's like, I don't know, irritating me. No, it wasn't this. This is my natural toner, one of my products that I created. Yeah, so let me wipe this down, y'all. Now I'm about to go clean out all of these brushes. This all the shavings from my sharpener and all the actual disinfectant wipes I use to clean out my makeup basket. These are the trays I use to let the plants drain and bottom feed. So I'm about to put this one up and clean that one. So I got to do the brushes, but I need some space. So I'm going to wash these little dishes, put these away, and start doing my brushes. All right, time to put the plants back. All right, so let me wash off. These are the ones that I use the most. I'm getting ready to wash them off. All right, brushes are nice and clean. And my hairbrush and then some of the combs that I like to use on a regular basis for doing hair are clean. So now I can get upstairs and finish editing and get this video out for you guys and get ready for the premiere at 2 o'clock because it's 1:22. Okay, so I'm getting ready to bake some cupcakes, and I just recorded 3 videos. One on cake flour and one on lemon juice. No, I just recorded 2. Yeah. So yeah, we're having leftovers today, so I'm getting ready to get these cupcakes made. I'm going to record the video so you guys can see that. But I'm also getting ready to just kind of straighten up a little bit because look, it's ridiculous. So I gotta put some of this stuff away before I get into it because it's gonna irritate me. So you guys will see the outcome of the cupcakes. Getting these cupcakes done for the video. Y'all gotta stay tuned for these cupcakes. All right, so these bad boys are going in the oven, y'all. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned for these. All right, these are my lemon cupcakes that had a snafu, but anywho, they came out good, and already 6 of them are gone, 7 of them are gone. But anywho, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them are gone. This is our replay, and I just got some regular buttered bread. I put some of that Parm cheese on mine and some black pepper. Same for his. The kids are knocked out, so this is what we're eating. And yeah, he already got a couple cupcakes up there, and I'm gonna be drinking this. Not too long of a vlog, not too much going on, but this is what we're eating, leftovers. And I drilled up the juices for Rizzy, and I'm drinking one of her juices. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. we're going to dance a little bit later. And I'll probably put some footage of that. And that's going to be the night for us. Okay, we playing the game. Who this? All of them are here. Everybody just say hi. That's Naya hand. That's her right there. So slow. So we're playing new phone who this, and this is the actual inbox, and then everybody gets to give the judge a card. So all three of them will give me a card, and I got to pick which one is the funniest response or the best response. So I'll show you guys how that works. So it says, hey, can I crash with you for a couple days? I think my cat's mad at me and I need some space from her. So now all of them are going to give me a card, and then I'm going to pick which one is the funniest response. So these are all of the responses that I got to that text message. So I have to figure out which one I like. So it says, how about we never see each other again? Mom, what? And look, man, I like you, but you're just my plug. That's it. Okay, so the one I'm going to pick is, look, man, I like you, but you're just... So that means Naya won. Naya won that round. She gets to keep the card, the inbox, and her card. And whoever has the most at the end of the game wins. And I just put those into the discard because they already been used. And then it'll go to my hubby. And he's going to read his off. And then we'll show y'all which one he picked. Go ahead, babe.
Hey, buddy, real quick. Can you give me the Beat Boys and Free My Soul? Laughing out loud.
What's that mean?
Give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your freaking bill. Yeah, that's the name of the song. Okay, so we all gonna give him a card. These are my cards. Hold on, yeah. So these are my cards. I can't show y'all without them being all in my business. Do you think you're okay? Okay. Okay, let's see which one I'm gonna pick. Hold on. Let's see if mine's win. This is mine. So I'm gonna put it in the box and he gonna grab them out the box. He don't know whose is whose when he judging. So now she mixing them up and gonna give it to him. And then he gotta pick which one he like.
I thought you were talking about sex. Boy, oh boy, count me in as an absolutely. Oh, absolutely.
It's only three of us.
Listen, I know you think it's funny to text me stuff like that, but it's getting really old and, frankly, pretty concerning.
Which one you pick?
Boy, oh boy.
That's for Rizzy.
Let me see. What does it say? So he picked, boy, oh boy, count me in as in... Absa-heckin-toodalutely. Absa-heckin-lutely. Absa-heckin-lutely. Yeah, oh, okay.
Broken up.
All right. So basically, you just get a response and a reply. So Nai's about to read one, and then we're going to give her a card. Read yours.
Want to see a selfie of me? You can say no, but I already have one ready to send.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Want to see a selfie of me? You can say no, but I already have one ready to
Look,
send.
this one right here. This one right here, yeah. Okay. Let's see if mine wins.
Okay. Aren't you married? If life was a fairy tale, then yeah, but it's not, Amanda. Again? Okay.
Those are all good.
I'm good with this one. If life was a fairy tale, but it's not, man. That's
Okay.
it.
Did win that round. Naya's going for Rizzy.
Are dentists supposed to ask you to take your clothes off? A little concerned right now.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, I gotta pick a card. We always gotta have 7 cards in our hands. Let's see. Look at that. Okay. Oh, I missed that one.
What?
You said I want to say what?
It said I want to say no, but then I remembered YOLO, so yeah, sure.
Okay.
Dude, not now. My dad is teaching me how to grill octopus. Tone down the crazy and try again. I want to say no, but then
That's mine. Yay, I won.
Oh, here you go.
Boom. All right.
Wait, whose turn
So
is it?
that's how it's played, guys. I'm getting ready to continue playing with them. Oops, it's my turn again. So, hey, Mom and Dad. Hey, Mom and Dad. Fat Camp is going great. Thanks again for sending me. Okay, let's see what they give me. Okay. Let's see. So these are their replies. Hold on. I'm shopping for blenders at Kohl's. Can't this wait? Laugh my ass off. You're wild. I found something in your purse that made me really uncomfortable. Maybe we should talk about it first. About that first. That one. This one. I found something in your purse. No, Rizzy. Yep, Rizzy one. That sounds good. Okay, let us continue playing. I'll talk to you guys later.